We'll explore the latest features and enhancements in WoodWing Studio for 2025. This year's updates continue to empower your team to work smarter and create with greater precision. Let's dive into what's new. Tables. I'm going to navigate to create a table component inside of my digital article. To do that, I am first going to find my potential table. Once I find that location, I'm going to select the orange plus icon and then select a new area where it says Data. From here, I select the chart icon. Once I select the option, I open the right-hand side panel to open my component properties. If you click on Create Data Visualization, this will open the Infogram application directly inside of Studio. Infogram will prompt you to create an account or log in if you have not already done so. If you have previously logged in, your sign-in information will be remembered and connect directly. Inside of Infogram, I can create a table from new information or upload information into Infogram. By default, Infogram will show you some pre-filled information to show you the best possible format for the text. We can directly edit this information, delete it, or even override it by uploading a new file. I'm uploading an Excel file from my desktop into Infogram. When I do so, I can now see an HTML-rich responsive table embed. I can change the table styles with colors, fonts, formats to create the appropriate design. When I'm happy with the look of my table, I select the Insert option and it will place the table inside of my article. When you publish the article, you now have complex data displayed in a clear and concise manner. Infogram has more than just table formats. This is one of the reasons why we were so happy to work with them. If you want a pie chart, a map, or an infographic, this can all be done inside of the Infogram chart component. For example, if I am going to upload an Excel file, if I navigate back to the chart settings, you can change the chart type. If I navigate to settings and select change, you'll see many options. There are a variety of different options for how your information can be displayed. For a full list of examples and resources, we highly recommend looking at Infogram's website. Comments. To help make commenting easier, we've added the Comments panel in the sidebar of Studio. With this, users can manage comments by adding, editing, deleting, or resolving them. Select a file anywhere in Studio. In the toolbar on the right-hand side, click the Comments icon to open the Comments panel. Click Create New Comment. Comments that are resolved are moved to a separate tab in the Comments panel. They are still accessible, but are less visible. Comments that have been resolved can be made active again. Simply navigate to the Resolved tab, select the resolved icon, and move the comment back to the active tab in the Comments panel. We've also integrated the @mention feature directly into the comment panel. Here's how it works. Start by typing the @ symbol with any comment or reply. This will prompt a drop-down list of relevant users, displaying each user's full name rather than their username. For example, I would be Danny instead of D. Lehue or D. Wolf. As you type additional letters after the @symbol, the list filters to show the closest possible matches, with the first name taking priority over the last. The drop-down list updates in real time, reflecting exact display names. Use the arrow keys or mouse to scroll through the list and press Enter, or click Select a User. Once chosen, the selected name appears directly in your comment. After a user is tagged with an @mention, they'll receive a badge notification that brings their attention to the comment. No need to sift through multiple files to find it. Every @mention and reply gathers in the Activity Hub, a central location where all routed files and updates are viewable in one organized space. Clicking on the badge opens the Activity Hub. Within the hub, you'll see a display showing all comments routed to you, starting with the most recent. Each notification includes context, such as the comment type, whether it was a mention, reply, resolved, or unresolved, and a preview of the original comment. To respond or view a thread, simply click on View Thread. Additionally, a Go to File option lets you jump directly to the originating file, making it easier to verify file-specific details, such as metadata, without losing your place. You can filter the comments in the feed to show only unread notifications, or you can mark individual notifications as read or unread as needed. To mark everything at once, select Mark All as Read at the bottom of the panel. One of our newest initiatives is the Technology Preview Group. This group is focused on exploring various tasks where AI and large language models can assist in improving workflows and increasing efficiency. As part of this initiative, we have introduced several technology previews that are available within WoodWing Cloud. In Studio's digital editor, we've added AI Assistant to the panel on the right. The goal of this panel is to make revising and editing articles easier. One of its features is a preview tool that can generate title suggestions for articles. By selecting this option, the assistant will provide a variety of options, including SEO-friendly titles, short print-friendly titles, or more descriptive ones, depending on your needs. Additionally, you can use the AI assistant to create social media descriptions for posts tailored to your content. The tool also includes a copy editing feature, which checks your article for grammar, brevity, cliches, readability, and coherence. By selecting this option, the AI will provide feedback to help refine and enhance your content. At all times, the editor or writer remains in the driver's seat and may choose to use or reject the suggestions. CopyFit. The next feature we'll explore is CopyFit functionality. This tool is designed to assist writers and editors in refining content within Studio's print editor, particularly when working with overset text. To use the CopyFit feature, navigate to the Plugins menu in the top right corner and select CopyFit. The system will then analyze the article, identifying longer sentences or areas where the text could be trimmed. Once this process is complete, a panel appears allowing users to review suggested edits on a sentence-by-sentence basis. The key aspect of this feature is that it keeps the editor or writer in full control. While the tool provides recommendations, it's ultimately up to the writer to decide what changes to accept or modify. Additionally, within this panel, users can continue making manual edits, for instance, if a word is removed. The writer can reintroduce it before finalizing the text. We also recognize that many users are interested in bringing this functionality into InCopy, and we're actively working on that solution. Since InCopy operates differently from Print Editor, we're adopting CopyFit feature to work seamlessly within its environment. Currently, we are testing an AI-powered copyfitting tool that leverages the native track changes functionality. This allows users to view all proposed edits at once, navigate through the article, and accept or reject the AI suggestions as needed. This enhancement ensures that writers and editors maintain complete visibility and control over their content while streamlining the editing process. Our goal is to incorporate this functionality into the Studio roadmap for a full release. However, at this stage, these features are available exclusively as technology previews in the cloud. We are actively gathering feedback from users who are testing these capabilities to refine and optimize them before a broader deployment. This ensures that the final features are as effective and valuable as possible for our customers.